Welcome to Curious Tech, and today we're doing an unboxing of a 36-inch 14-port metered Tripp Lite PDU. Alright, opening up this Tripp Lite 36-inch metered PDU. So let's take a look at what we have here. Alright, wow. So the first thing I'll say is, even though you know the dimensions, like in our case we knew it was going to be 36 inches, typically I've only really seen full 42U PDUs. When I say 42U, what I really mean is in the industry they're called 0U PDUs because they don't actually take up rack space. But when I say 42U, I mean it's literally the whole length of the rack. So however many inches that is. So when I see this PDU, my first reaction is, wow, this is small. Now this is meant to go on the outside of my small rack that I have. So perfect, this is what I was expecting, but still it just comes across as pretty small. Which is cool. Alright, so we got it open here. Plenty of cable length, so should not have any problem getting this to where power is. We look at this here, 14 plugs. They've got a plastic cover to prevent you from accidentally turning it on and off. And then here's the meter number. So this is designed to go into a 120 volt 15 amp socket, and I believe this is downrated to around 12 amps. So you really don't expect this number to be higher than 12. For racks that have it, this has the easy toolless installation where you just slide this on. They have some slightly different hardware in here as well for various other installation methods. And the manual. So pretty straightforward, but pretty cool. What's interesting about this is I originally was looking at a 24-inch one. All right, I mean it's going to take about a third off of this for a metered PDU. 2 feet. Now that I'm seeing it physically, is actually something that would be interesting for my office, particularly when I have a couple systems in there as well that run 24 hours a day. Just good to know, like, where are you at power wise.